The study aimed to understand older adults' familiarity with and barriers to interacting with new technologies and tablets, as well as utilize user engagement in refining an intervention protocol. 18 novice tablet users participated in focus groups that explored attitudes towards tablets and technology, perceived advantages and disadvantages of using tablets, familiarity with, and barriers to interacting with tablets. The themes that emerged included barriers such as lack of instructions and guidance, lack of knowledge and confidence, health-related barriers, cost, disadvantages and concerns such as too much and too complex technology, feelings of inadequacy, comparison with younger generations, lack of social interaction and communication, negative features of tablets, advantages such as positive features of tablets, accessing information, willingness to adopt technology, and skepticism about using tablets and technology in general. After brief exposure to tablets, participants emphasized the likelihood of using a tablet in the future. The findings suggest that most participants were eager to adopt new technology but voiced apprehension about lack of clarity in instructions and support. Understanding older adults' perceptions of technology is important to assist with introducing it to this population and maximize its potential to facilitate independent living.
This article was authored by Eleftheria Vapourtsis, Maria Giazzi-Clausen, Alan J. Gao, and others.
We are article.tv, links in the description below.